Our countertops are Olympian white Danby marble in a honed finish as opposed to a polished finish, which just means that they're matte. The overall look without showing my dirty sink. Danby marble is from Vermont and it's apparently harder and more stain resistant. We did an OG edge. I probably need to be jailed. We sealed them one time and you're supposed to do it, I think, like twice a year. Oh, whoops, that's my bad. And I just tried to find the sealer so I could show you, but I can't even find it, so I can't even lie and pretend that I do it more often. This is my word of warning. If you get marble countertops and at least seal them the first time, I'm gonna find the sealant because it's actually been way too long. I need to do it. When we first got them, this is so sad. I dropped a chipotle chip, a literal chipotle chip on the counter, and the grease left like a dark mark on the marble, and I was sick over it. I think that went away, like it just dried up over time. But then once I sealed it, I noticed, like, if I drop, well, you can't see. If you drop liquid on it, it sits on the top, you know what I mean? And you can wipe it off and it's gone. But before, it would like absorb in, like literally chipotle grease did. And I was like, this is what I remember, the kind of container that it was in. The guy that did our countertops recommended it. I'm gonna try and show you some of what would be considered etching. I don't think we really have any stains. There are a couple dings and a couple etch marks, which could happen from like lemon juice or tomato juice, red sauce, that kind of thing. I'm not like super type A about that. With it being honed, it's actually harder to see etching, but I have a lamp here so you can kind of see in the glare. I mean, I think that's etching. This is probably a ding. We had a couple dings over here. You can see there's some scratches in it. I don't care. That doesn't at all bother me. I turn the overhead lights off and you can see, ignore the cords. That is a regret. I love the countertops. I have no beef with those. What I have done here with these outlets, regrettable. But anyway, it's fine. You can see I got some spots over here. I also got some streaks apparently. My dish soap mixture kind of leaving some residue. You can see some over here too. Do I care? Does that bother me? No. Marble isn't for everybody, so if it does bother you, I understand that. It doesn't bother me. Cook here probably 6 out of 7 nights a week, and I'm kind of messy, so I don't take it that seriously. I feel like there are statues that stand outside that are made of marble, and banks made out of marble, and columns, you know what I mean? So I'm like, what? It came out of the earth. I don't care. And I think it's beautiful, and I just love that it's unique and special. It's got a special quality to it, and I've spoiled myself to it for sure. To wipe it down, I make a little mixture of water and dish soap, and that's what I wipe it with.